Welcome to DSA Progress channel. Today we'll be solving factorial of a given number. So the problem statement states that you are given an integer n, return the value of n factorial or n factorial. Factorial of a number is a product of all positive integers less than or equal to that number. For example, 2, if the input is 2, we have to multiply 1 into 2 and the result would be 2. If the example is 3, if the input is 3, output should be 6 because 3 into 2 into 1 6. I think there is some mistake here. Output should not be 2. For the input 3, output should be 6. So let's solve this problem. So first we'll initialize a variable called factorial. That's the result that we'll be returning back. So in factorial, I'll not set it to 0 because we'll be multiplying it. I'll set it to 1. And then we'll start a for loop for int I equals 1. Again, I less than or equal to the given input n, I plus plus. We have to our factorial would become factorial into the given number I. So that way it will keep from 1 to the given number, it will multiply all the digits and it would return back the we shall return back the factorial. Return the factorial back. This should give the multiplied numbers from 1 to the n number. Let's run this. Yes friends, all the test cases have passed. Let's submit the code. All the 13 test cases have passed. Thank you friends.